Hello and welcome back to our series on Selenium interview questions. In the previous two videos, we covered some questions that you could expect in a Selenium interview. And today, we will be discussing 10 more questions that will help you ace your Selenium interview. So, let's get started. What is Selenium Grid and how does it work? Selenium Grid is a tool that allows you to run Selenium tests on multiple machines at the same time. It works by dividing your test cases and running them on different machines in parallel. What is an implicit wait in Selenium? An implicit wait is a type of wait in Selenium that tells the Selenium WebDriver to wait for a certain amount of time before throwing an exception. This wait is applied to all the web elements on the page. What is an explicit wait in Selenium? An explicit wait is a type of wait in Selenium that tells the Selenium WebDriver to wait for a certain condition to be met before moving to the next step in the test case. What is a page object model in Selenium? A page object model is a design pattern that is used in Selenium to create an object-oriented representation of a web page. It helps to simplify the test case and make it more maintainable. What is data-driven testing in Selenium? Data-driven testing is a testing approach in Selenium that involves testing the same functionality with multiple sets of data. It helps to cover different scenarios and test cases. What is the difference between getText and getAttribute in Selenium? GetText is used to get the visible text of an element, whereas getAttribute is used to get the value of an attribute of an element. What is a desired capability in Selenium? A desired capability is a key-value pair that is used to set the configuration of the Selenium WebDriver. It helps to customize the browser settings and enable specific features. What is a Selenium IDE and how does it work? Selenium IDE is a tool that is used to record and play back Selenium test cases. It works by recording the user interactions on a web page and generating the corresponding Selenium code. What is the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate? 2. The driver.get method is used to navigate to a web page by specifying its URL. The driver.navigate to method, on the other hand, is used to navigate to a web page by specifying a URL as well as the HTTP method used to retrieve the page. What is a web element? A web element represents an HTML element on a web page. It can be a button, link, input box, or any other HTML element that can be interacted with. And that's it for today's video on Selenium interview questions. I hope you found these questions and answers useful. If you have any more questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.